Hello everyone in Cyber World. Welcome to another video. I'm Jennifer, aka Mrs. Poorman.
And I'm Richard, also known as Mr. Poorman. This week we're introducing our video from the Aloha Stadium, where the Fresno State Bulldogs will be taking on the University of Hawaii Rainbow Warriors.
Hello everyone, all the way from Tanzania in Africa. My name is Felipe Renault from a channel called Simple Woodworking, and today I get to introduce Mr. and Mrs. Poorman's video where they get to customize their own t-shirts.
Thank you, Philly. Let's look at how we did this.
Also, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.
Okay, before we get started, I want to point out that this isn't a detailed step-by-step instructional video. We just want to give you a general idea of what you too can do when making t-shirts.
First step is to find images to use on the shirts.
Some images have backgrounds on them that need to be erased. There's a couple ways of doing that. You can use the erase feature and gradually erase it little by little, or you can use a wizard that highlights the entire background, press the delete button, and it's all gone. Take a look at how we did this.
Here's the difference with the image, with the background and without the background.
We wanted to design something based on this.
We elongated circles to look like lines for different sizes.
We decided to use a red shirt, so instead of using the red letters, we changed the fonts to make it stick out a little bit better.
Next, we used our Cricut software. Here's the next step.
Oh, and like she said, here's the next step.
And this is what we made.
Fresno State Bulldogs will be playing the
Here's the difference, blah, blah. Here's the difference of with, cut, babe.